This is reading and writing, and here are some techniques in selecting and organizing information. First, we have brainstorming list. Brainstorming is an informal way of generating topics to write about or points to make. Brainstorming is a large or small group activity that allows free flow of ideas. Here are some of the brainstorming techniques that you can use. Time travel. How would you deal with this if you were in a different time period? Let's say 10 years ago, 100 years ago, or more. Teleportation. What if you were facing this problem in a different place, different country, different region, different universe? Attribute change. How do you think about this if you were in a different gender, age, race, intellect, etc.? Role storming. What would you do if you were someone else? Your parent, your teacher, your president, your governor, etc. Iconic figures. What if you were an iconic figure of the past like Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, Jesus Christ, or Buddha? What if you suddenly have superpowers like Superman, Wonder Woman, Iron Man, Thor, etc.? Gap filling. When point A is your current position and point B is your end goal, what are the things you need to fill this gap? What are you gonna do? Group ideation. Have a group brainstorming session. Get a group of people and start ideating together. More brains are better than one. Mind mapping. Start off with your goal in the center. Branch out the major subtopics and continue to branch out into many subtopics as needed. Medici effect is the intersection of ideas, finding the commonalities of different variables. SWOT analysis, the identification of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Brainwriting is getting a group of people to write down their ideas and extract important points. Trigger method. It's to brainstorm on as many ideas and selecting the best ones and brainstorm for more ideas until the best solution. Reverse thinking is to think what everyone will do typically in your situation, then doing the opposite. 101 ideas is to write a list of at least 101 ideas to deal with your situation. What is your favorite brainstorming technique? Thank you for watching.